What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheeks. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing video today. I did one unboxing video with Ulta. I got all my melanin hair care stuff, and this is a new gem that I want to show y'all today. Yeah, this is a new gem that I want to show y'all today. Unfortunately, I don't have the price, but I do know I got it on sale because it was Carol's Daughter had a sale with Sally's. So the only thing that I got, okay, was the Carol's Daughter. This is the thing that stuck out to me most because I seen a lot of people on YouTube rave about this product. And they say it's really, really thick and it's really, really moisturizing. That's what they say. What they say. So we'll see if that's true whenever I decide to wash my hair and wash all this stuff out of my hair. So yeah, this is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme. Okay. Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme. This is the coil enhancing moisture butter for very dry, curly to coily hair with coconut, mango, and Muramu. I don't know what that is. So yeah, did y'all know Carol's Daughter is no longer black owned? I didn't know that. But Carol's Daughter is no longer black owned, unfortunately. So if you feel a way about that, then don't get the product. But yeah, so we're just gonna see. Sealed. I like it. Okay, she is thick. Ooh, she smells good. She's very, very thick. Okay, whipped consistency. It almost looks like melanin hair care. Almost. It has that whipped butter consistency. So yeah, it's very, very thick. Let me just show y'all melanin hair care since I have it sitting right next to me. But don't they look the same in consistency? Probably two different butters. I can't say how this one performs because I've never used it before, but off bat, I like this smell more. Yeah, off bat, I like this smell more. Very, very thick though. Very thick. So I like that. The smell is really getting to me. So yeah, y'all, they're not black owned anymore. So if you want to shop black owned brands, this is not the brand to go towards. Okay, they're not black owned anymore. I did not know that until I bought all my stuff. My friend told me, she was like, they're not black owned. I'm like, why didn't you tell me before I made my purchase? You could have told me that before I made my purchase. I probably still would have purchased because I want to try this product. But, yeah. That would have been great to know. So, yeah. We're going to try this out. Stay tuned for an... Okay, now I'm playing with it. Okay. I got it on my hands. Okay, we're just gonna hold on here. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna wipe up. But yeah, I know you lying. I done got it on my tights. Ooh no. Okay, easy wipe up. But yeah, y'all, I got the Cocoa Creme. It smells kind of funny. I really can't get with this smell though. That's just all I'm gonna say. Yeah, y'all, this is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme, the coil enhancing moisture butter. I really don't have a lot to say about this product. I'm not gonna say buy it, don't buy it. I know it was really, I got it really cheap because I had free shipping with Sally's and it was on sale. They don't have the paper, so I don't remember how much I paid for it, and I record on my phone, unfortunately, so I can't pull up the price right now as we speak. But yeah, it's 12 ounces, so you know. Yeah, Carol's Daughter. Let me know if y'all have tried this. I like trying things that my subscribers have already tried, because you know, a lot of people, they be like, oh, you know, that's my favorite, that's in my stash already, you know, I already had that in my stash. So let me know if you've ever used this product, if you've ever tried it. And yeah, let me know how it performed on your hair if you have tried it. Let me know if it's better than Melanin Hair Care. I haven't found anything better than Melanin Hair Care. Just saying. Melanin Hair Care is kind of hard to beat right now because it's one of my top favorite brands. I love their leave-in. I just bought 2 from Ulta. Okay, I love their leave-in. I love their shampoo. I love the shampoo. I love the oil. I just love Melanin Hair Care. So Melanin Hair Care is kind of hard to beat, you know. But yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was a little short unboxing. I only got one thing, so you know, it's not really much to talk about. And I can't tell y'all the price because I didn't put the damn paper in there. But yeah, y'all, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Okay, 70% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. I don't know if y'all are haters, or I don't know if y'all just haven't pressed the subscribe button yet, but please subscribe to my channel, y'all. It really helps me out. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out with the algorithm and all that other bullshit. And BS, sorry BS, trying not to cuss on my channel because I'm just trying not to cuss on my channel. And make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. So, you know, you can be notified when your girl upload. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I have a new uploading schedule, okay? Every Monday, every Friday, you're going to get a video. Every Monday, every Friday. Don't ask me what time. I don't know. But every Monday, every Friday, you're going to get a video. You're going to get a new video. And that's only because I was a little burnt out doing videos that I used to do 2 videos daily, okay? And that I was getting a little burnt out. So yeah, my videos are pre-recorded and I'm on a schedule, and it just feels better. It feels better, and it's better for me personally to just be on a schedule and just pre-record my videos, have them already set up and stuff. So by the time you see this video, I'll already be recording something else, if that makes sense. So you won't get this video until, like, to the date. Today is Martin Luther King Day. Okay, you won't get this video until probably sometime in February. You know what I mean? Because I think I'm like, yeah, I'm ahead of schedule, so you won't get this video until February. So yeah, it will be February by the time this video is posted, but I'm recording it in January, you understand? Because I want to stay with the every Monday. Every Monday, every Friday, every Monday, every Friday, every Monday, every Friday. So every Monday and every Friday you will get a video. If you do not get a video, hold me to it. Hold me accountable, okay? Because it's like, now I'm on a schedule. You know, at first I was uploading whenever I wanted to upload, but now I'm on a schedule, so you can definitely hold me accountable and be like, oh, today's Monday or today's Friday, where that video says. But you can only do that past 12 a.m. because I'm not giving y'all a time, okay? Just know every Monday, every Friday, you'll get a video. So if it's Wednesday and you like, oh, we didn't get a video Monday, that's when you can hold me accountable. Don't hold me accountable until it's like the end of the night, like 12 a.m. the next day. So yeah, y'all, I really do like this schedule. I hope y'all like it too. That way, you know, because when I first started, y'all didn't really know when y'all was gonna get a video. You know what I mean? But now y'all can kind of, now y'all know my schedule. So yeah, it works for y'all too, because y'all can know, okay, she's not gonna post on Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? Kyla posts every Monday and every Friday. So stay tuned for every Monday and every Friday. You're gonna get a video. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a video, every Monday and every Friday. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for the upcoming subscribers. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the dislikes. Thank you. Okay. And thank you for all your positivity, and I just appreciate it so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.